Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to look up and return the matching values based on a text. In the first example, I want to filter the records where the name is Apple. Type an equal sign and use the TEXT-LOOKUP function. The first argument is the string you want to find. The second argument is the lookup array. The third argument is the return array. Press Enter to get the result. The function is non-case sensitive. If you need a case-sensitive result, use true as a fourth argument. In the next example, I want to get the names that begin with a specific character. Take a closer look at the first argument. Use an asterisk on the right side of the lookup value. The second and third arguments are the same as the previous example. Press Enter to get the result. In the next example, I want to get the names that begin with a specific character. Furthermore, the length of the string should be 6 characters. Add a first character, then use question marks. The question mark matches a single alphabet in a specific position. Press Enter to get the result. Let's see how to get these records where the first character is not A. Bracket open, then add an exclamation mark before the character. Bracket close. Use an asterisk on the right side of the lookup value. The result looks great. What if you want to find these records where the last character is not E? Type an asterisk, then bracket open. Add an exclamation mark before the character. Then bracket close. The result contains only the names where the last character is not E. Okay, now I want to extract the names that begin with a specific character and do not contain this character. First, add the character, then bracket open. Type an exclamation mark, then specify the character you want to exclude. Bracket close. Finally, type an asterisk. Press Enter. In the last example, I want to list the names that contain this string. Type an asterisk, then add the string. Finally, add an asterisk. Now we have a list with the names that contain this string. Thanks for being with us today. For the latest Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.